Hi everybody, I'm Naomi from GR4. I'm going to be showing you how to make your family tree frame today that you've received in your craft pack. So you should have all picked up your pack that looks like this for now. Inside your pack you will find a glue gun. Mine's already plugged in and warm, ready for me to show you how to make what's inside, with 2 glue sticks. So make sure before you plug it in you pop a glue stick into the back of the glue gun. For those that you don't know, there's a small circle at the back of the glue gun. You just insert the glue inside there and wait for it to warm up, ideally. You will also receive your tree inside a stencil thing that is keeping it safe. Pen, a little bag that's going to have your wooden hearts in, a small piece of card, so you will have different colours, and a frame. So the first thing I want you to do is take a pair of scissors and cut your elastic band off. Please don't try to pull it off, because if for some reason you catch the tree, you may end up pulling off one of the branches or something, because it is quite temperamental. So if you could cut the elastic band off and get rid of that, that'd be brilliant. Tip your hearts out. So you'll have a mixture of hearts. You've got big hearts and small hearts. And then if you just tap your tree, I say it's temperamental and it doesn't want to come out, it should just drop out of the frame. So this is the bit we're going to be using, so you can dispose the other bit as well. So if you do, turn your glue guns on so that they're warming up ready, and then I want you to open your frame. I've already sort of took the cellophane off mine, so you'll need to take the cellophane off. And if you just take the back bits off, take your cardboard bit out, take this bit out and dispose of that. Take your insert out and your perspex. So at some point you're going to need to peel, there's like sticky sheets on this perspex, so you're going to need to peel that off before you put it in. So you need to take this insert bit out in the frame here. So if you take that out, bear with me a minute whilst I get this sticky bit off the front of here. This could take a while. There we go, I've got it. So it peels like that. There's one on both sides, so if you peel them both off. That one come off easier. So pop your perspex piece inside, and then if you get your insert with the white bits facing down, and pop that back in. So once your middle insert is in, you can pop your frame to one side for a couple of minutes. Then I want you to take your insert, so you'll see that the side that needs to go face down into the frame, so the bit where your tree will be sitting on, is ridged moving down. So your glitter backing that you're going to be using needs to go behind that, so that you've got this little ridge kind of going in, if that makes sense. So what we're going to do is glue that down. So if you get your glue gun, mine is leaking everywhere, and just put 2 lines of glue. Bear with me whilst I put the next one in, because it's been leaking everywhere. And then if you pop it on so that it covers the middle bit, it would look like that. Then what we're going to do is glue your tree. So decide which way you want your tree to go down. Now it's up to you how you put your tree on. You can put it as low, just spin this around a minute, as low or as high as you want to put it, or centralize it, however you want to do it, it's up to you. If you get your glue gun, and just put some glue down the center You don't need too much because you don't want it to bleed everywhere. So you just put it down the centre. Pop it onto your frame. And just press down. Be quite fragile with these trees because you don't want to break any of the branches off because they are quite thin. So once it's down, it will look like that. So we're just going to pop that to one side for a minute to dry. So then you want to get your hearts. These are pretty simple. So we've, most of you should have 5 big hearts, 3 small. So depending on how many you want to fit on, I'm going to put, let me just decide, 3 big hearts and 3 little ones onto mine. So basically all you need to do is write on your hearts with the biro. You might have to go over it a couple of times to try and do it in your neatest writing possible. But you just want to write onto the hearts whatever it is you want to say, family members or whatever it is you want to do. And then after, we're going to glue them onto the tree where we want them to be. So I need to try and do this in nice writing, which I don't think is going to happen, but we will give it a go. Don't panic too much if you do go wrong, because you've always got the other side, so you can always turn the heart over and use the other side if you go wrong. But you literally get 2 chances. Okay. So that is my hearts. So I am now, once you've done your hearts, just bring your insert back with your tree, and then you want to decide where you're going to position your heart on the frame. So don't go straight in gluing. Decide where you want them to sit first, and then stick them on. So yeah, I think I'm going to put mine there. So I'm then going to take each individual heart, put some glue on the back. You need a bit more on the back of the hearts, just because on the tree, where it's quite sort of sparse with where you can stick things down to, you need to make sure that where you're sticking it, there's enough glue to hold it. So there's that one. So if you see, oh, bear with, sorry if I'm covering that up, putting it so that it sort of covers the back of the heart. Don't worry if you've got some stringy bits of glue, you can pick all them off after. So when you're finished, you will end up with something that looks a little bit like that. So when you are using your glue gun to do the gluing, if you make sure that you place the things down fairly quickly, because the glue does dry quite quick. But yeah, so you'll end up with a finished piece that looks a bit like that. So and if you bring your frame back in, I would probably give it a while to dry before you pop it in. I'm going to pop mine straight in just so that you can all see. Pop the backing back on, push your sides down. And voila. It's a bit dirty. There we go. There is your finished frame. Feel free to add a different back in if you want to add a different back in, do something different with your hearts. Again, what we say for most of the crafts packs is it's down to you to be creative. This is what we advise you do with them, but if you want to try something new, then that's absolutely fine. If you could send us your pictures when you finish, that would be brilliant. And thank you very much for picking up a craft pack.